This is the unboxing and review of the IGOKOTI air compressed duster. It's pretty awesome, 50,000 RPMs, strong winds blow away any dust. We did purchase this on Amazon. Box did get a little damaged here, but on this side here you can see all the specifications that it has. And best gift that you can give, debatable, but I do like gifts that clean. So let's go ahead and open up this box. The main device itself, USB charger, on-off button, the light. Does look like it has some charge. Whoa. Not too bad. These are the accessories that come with it. So this product does do air compression and also vacuuming. This is the standard USB charger cable that it comes with that is supplied. Everything else is black and this happens to be white. I don't know why that's always a thing. And these are the different types of accessories that come with the device. Okay, that's nozzle 1, this is nozzle 2, nozzle 3, nozzle 4, your vacuum transfer interfaced piece, and then this little brush can go on this device. No, it seems to go on this device. This brush goes on nozzle 1, and then this brush tip goes on the vacuum broom. This does have an air filter in it. Does seem to just... So filter goes inside, and then there are these bumps on the side that this goes in and then twists tight.
You can double press the button to turn the light off, just so you know. Double press again.
Why that would be needed on a vacuum, I don't know.
You know, in case you have those intruders while you're trying to dust your keyboard.
So you're like...
Just... Wait,
like,
no,
okay.
Hang on.
I can see.
But now SOS, and I'm gonna blind you.
Bash them in the face. Yeah. It's a safety device as well.
Apparently.
Takes about 4.5 to 6 hours for full charge. Low mode, you'll get about 35 minutes out of a charge. If you want to use the high mode, it's about 20 minutes.
Keep going.
Yep.
Okay, I'm not really seeing much more come out. So that's not too bad. And then we'll just do as a comparison.
Okay.
And that's all I can get out of a can right now because it's already gone ice cold.
Yeah. So and there's still tons more in there.
clicking it, sorry.
So what would be the reason for buying one of these devices? The vacuuming aspect is pretty cool, but what they're mainly used to replace is these air duster cans. Now, these are starting to get more and more expensive. The chemicals that are inside them, the bitter agents, if you've ever tasted any of that, you know what I'm talking about. This is far safer. This is reusable. This you have to replace. This has other abilities and is safer to use with your, electronic devices. These, not so much. The price of this device we bought for under $60, and we were lucky enough to get a half off coupon on Amazon. There are several other brands of these devices. We went with this one because we liked the other accessories that it came with, and it just looks sleek and nice.
And small.
And small. Sleek and nice.
I still think the light's funny.
Light is funny. There you go.
Okay, so